Let's see if it's able to correctly identify. Oh, nice. See? So this is actually a lotion. So perfect. The machine was able to correctly identify that the image that I have right now, or I was showing it, is that of a lotion. Let's try other. I have a lot of stuffs here. So what about this one? Ooh, yeah. Soda bottle, water bottle. So correctly, very nice. This is actually a water type of a water jug. So it is one of the innate weakness of the machine, but at the same time, it's very nice to actually to actually create something like this, right? Let's try this one. Oh, perfect. It was able to identify that this is an image of a coffee mug. So there are advantages or innate advantages of this type of machine learning. What's this model? And this is just one of them. So let's try this one. Okay, it's quite hard actually. Corn. This is actually a pine tree. Okay, so okay, not bad if you think about it. Let's try another one. Let's try it's able to identify this one. I think this is relatively easy. No, this is not stopwatch. It's quite cool, right? I mean, it's not perfect and all, but at least it was able to identify 40% of the time. So what about this one? Let's see. Oh, nice. So it was trained to actually identify a notebook computer. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Lowell Sala once again of NYC Emerging Healthcare Technology, your go-to place if you want to learn more about blockchain, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, web development in healthcare, and more importantly, if you want to learn more about digital health. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to click that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you will be able to hear and see every time I upload new videos and new content. Also, make sure to click that like button if you like this content so that I can go on creating more content, especially for you guys. So today I'm equally excited because we are going to do something that has never been done before. It is called an image classifier. So it is able to actually detect an image. For example, if I have a cup like this one, if I put this in the video will be able to identify that this is, for example, a coffee mug. So watch out. So watch out and make sure to click that like button and also make sure to wait at the very end because we are going to thoroughly discuss it and have a nice, entertaining discussion. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. All right, so the first thing that we are going to do, or I'm going to show you, is to go to tensorflow.org /light/tutorial. So there's so many things you can actually do. In fact, you're able to, let's say, recognize handwritten digits, especially if you're a physician, for example, and you're trying and if especially if you're a physician and you write this really weird illegible what's this prescription. So you can use machine learning to actually correctly identify the prescription that you have for your patients. So you can also use transfer learning for image classification, object detection for Raspberry Pi, and then train a mobile object detector. So these are just some of the fascinating things that you can create with the mere knowledge of JavaScript, with the mere knowledge of simple HTML and CSS. So if you haven't known if you have no coding experiences, that's what I was saying, it's important to be able to know how to code, especially if you're a physician, was this a lab technician. If you are in healthcare, I think it's really necessary that you're able to know how to code this projects, because you can actually create something fascinating and interesting, not just for yourself or for you to show around, but for your patients. And at the same time, you can create a whole new business model with this simple projects that you can create. These are just some of the things that I'm just gonna show you around TensorFlow.org, because this is everything is actually here. So but I already made this project, so you can just go to github.com. If you are new to github.com, please make sure to register at github.com. And if you do have an account already, then you can just fork this so that you will be able to have a copy. Forking just means that you have a copy, so it's just a photocopy of the code. So right now, if you can see, cannot fork because you own this repository and are not member of Nega. So because I am not I already own this repository, so I don't need to fork it. But if you're new to GitHub, of course, just register, have your your registration, and then log into your GitHub account, and then find me if you want. Look for me. It's Alchemist21. You can follow me, and then you can also like if you like this repository. So let's go now. Let's do that. Let's just copy this one. So I will just go to git bash, open my git bash, and then I will just go to cd desktop, then cd projects, and then I'm going to mkdir create a project. Let's just go call this my image, and then we just cd, we go into our directory my image, and then we are going to just git copy this one. So once you have a clone already, or once you fork this already, you can just git clone copy, and then it's actually very fast with GitHub. Paste. Okay, so it is automatically cloning this, meaning if I look now to my site, if I go to this one, cd ls, so there, so it's already there. So I will just write cd, it's only copy, so code. It's relatively fast. Actually, I don't need to do anything else with this one. So all the code is here. Just slowly let's just discuss this. This is the title, the image classification, and then for load processing or library, all of this are in TensorFlow.js. So you can just copy this one. It's easier, and then the source code for this one, and then your index.js, and then the video. So if you look at our index.js, so this is just a simple JavaScript. So let mobile net, and then let video, and then the function. When the model is ready, the model is going to make predictions, and then function got results, and then the setup for the function, and to load mobile net and apply it on video feed. So this is a supervised type of learning, and what we're doing here is we're just getting the data from MobileNet, so in order to identify what we have in front of us right now. So this is just the simple code that you can do, and after this we will just click HTML, then you can open with your live server, and yeah, it is there automatically. So right, so thank you so much for joining, and I hope that you had fun.